It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we have a wig unboxing from Miss Rebecca. So let's open this up. And this one is the natural lace body 18-inch, and it comes with a light brown wig cap. So okay, so I'm gonna take all of this out of here so you can see what the inside looks like. Okay, so this is what the lace is looking like. It feels pretty thin, so it should blend well. The knots along the outside are a little big, but here on the hairline where you would probably lay baby hair, they are a little smaller there. On the inside, of course, we have combs. Looks like we have three combs. It's made to have a part here in the center, so you can't part it in here anywhere, but if you part it in the center, it's going to kind of give you that little lace part there in the middle. And y'all know I'll probably take the combs out, and it does have the adjustable straps in the back, so that's great. So let's put it on and see what it looks like. Alright y'all, so I want to see how this wears for somebody that doesn't have like a lot of, you know, wig experience. So I want to kind of give y'all a better look of how it is looking on the hairline, so you can see what I meant about the knots, how you can see them. But when you get closer to the part, they get a little thinner. So I'm going to cut the lace off with my pinking shears. These are not craft shears, they're pinking shears. You use this to cut fabric so that it does not unravel. So that's what I'm going to cut my lace with. And I'm just going to hold the lace and just cut, and I'm trying to make sure that I leave a little lace right in front of those hairs. You don't want to cut it too close to the hair, because you can, like if you cut right in there at that hairline, those little hairs that's in the knots, they're just going to come out. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this. So to help me kind of cut that lace off a little bit, I did use some clamps to pull the hair out of the way. And this is what it looks like with the lace cut off. As you can see, those pinking shears kind of give you that zigzag cut, and it stops fabric from fraying or unraveling. So let's put this wig on again. When I put it on the first time, it was a little snug, but my hair wasn't as flat as it could be. And right now it's probably still not as flat as it could be, but we're just gonna go with it. I don't braid my hair down anymore like in cornrows or anything like that. So I just let my hair do what it wants to do. And that's been working out. So it does have the combs in there. Of course, I don't use the combs, so I'm not going to take them out at this very moment. But let's put it on and see. So this is how the lace is looking. Not too bad. And to make this lay down, I would recommend to either glue it or use an elastic band. Now this is the middle part. It does have like a little lace under here. So I typically don't pluck my wigs, but for this one, if you want that part to be really clear and crispy, I would recommend to pluck it. Or you can just add some makeup in there. The reason why I don't pluck is because after that hair is gone, it's gone. Ain't no getting the hair back. It's out of there. So what I would do is just go in here with some makeup. So going in there with a little makeup definitely helps it look better. You can also put makeup on the inside. And it's going to kind of make that part stand out a little bit, even if it's not plucked. Now this is the natural pattern of the hair. Will I wear it like this? Probably not. I feel like it needs maybe some curls or something. If you want to just wear it like this, by all means you can. They do have like some little baby hairs along the edge, so you could put this on out of the box, whoop, whoop, lay them baby hairs and go about your day, okay? But I'm not going to do that. I want to do a little bit more to it. So I'm going to wash it, add my elastic band, do all of that good stuff, come back with a beat face, and then we are going to see what the wig is looking like. So we are back. I washed the unit, all right, and I flexi rodded her. So now I'm going to take the flexi rods out and I'm going to comb through it with a big comb, all right? And then we're gonna pop her on. So this is what the curls look like. And they are still a tad damp. Still a tad bit damp, but that should be okay. So here she is. I took the combs out as I told you guys I would. So let's put her on and see what she is looking like. Okay. So typically I'm not a middle part girl, but with this unit, the middle part is set in. So you will have to wear it with the part in the middle, or you can kind of shift the wig or do something like that. You can definitely, you know, get those baby hairs together. And I am going to go back into that part with a little powder. and she is ready to go. Okay, so okay, Miss Rebecca, all right. So definitely I suggest to wash it, curl it, you know, make it your own. If you are into plucking, definitely pluck the part, and you can do what you got to do. Okay, you can go to work, you can go to school, anything quick, store run, anything like that, because you don't really have to do too much to the wig. Okay, so I will have the link to the unit in the description bar. All right, if y'all get it, tag me on Instagram, let me know what you think about it. But yeah, she doing what she needs to do. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this Miss Rebecca wig unboxing and you know, first impressions, try on and all that, with the minimal, you know, not doing a lot of plucking, not doing a lot of, you know, a lot of different things. Just a wig that is virtually, you know, ready out of the box. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy that. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you endorse. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.